Friendship Day is up and we are ready with another technique of making a friendship band all by yourself. Let's start. You need satin ribbons. You can also use any kind of fancy strings. Choose the color that you like, a glue tape or a cello tape. You will also require a scissor and a scissor. Let's begin by measuring the satin ribbons. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure at least 5 inches and keep it aside for the tie-ups. After 5 inches, take 2 complete foot rule, that is 12 inches plus 12 inches of a measure, and after that we again leave about 5 inches for our tying of the satin friendship band here. And I give it a chop. I cut over here. I cut both my satin ribbons and I'll show you. 2 pieces of satin ribbons are ready. 5 inches, 12 plus 12, that is 24, and again 5 at the end. The 5 inches that we have kept is for tying up the friendship band on your friend's hand. Now let's see what you will do. It's a very simple one, but it will look very elegant and nice. Well, so to prevent the edges from ruffling out the threads, I'm going to take the ends and I'm going to give them a V-cut just as a prevention so that we don't have the threads running out and our satin ribbons don't shorten in length. So when we have these two, keep them aside and we're going to bring that on both the sides. We're going to chop them. I've given a V-cut to both the ends of my ribbon so that the ribbon does not lose thread. And now I'm going to take both of them together, the smoother versions, the smoother side up. I'm going to hold them together, leave about 5 inches according to my scale. And at the measure of 5 inches, I'm going to tie a knot, a simple knot. Just make a loop and put both the ends together through this loop. Fasten it by pulling out the end from the other side. Yes, you can make very pretty knots. That's a knot that's ready. And now I'm going to fasten the knot over here as I continue to make my friendship band. You can see I have placed my satin ribbons straight. The knot is over here and I'm going to fasten them on my table. If you don't want to fasten them, you can also leave them with a hook inside on a wall or some cupboard where you can just have them held. If you have a friend or if you have your sibling or somebody around to help you, you can ask them to hold this end while you start making your friendship band. You have 2 colors, 2 parts. You're just going to keep making knots. Just loop and fasten. Once it will be the yellow thread, yellow side, and once it will be the purple. Just keep looping them. Yeah, we have to be equal in size, so make sure that your loops are in the same size. From top to down, here it goes. I got some help to hold my end as I keep making my lovely friendship band. See the twist that it takes. Each time I'm just making a knot. It's going on showing the colors. It's a band that you're supposed to make for your friend. Here I come to an end. I think I have left only about 5 inches of it and I would like to keep it so that I can tie this band. What I do is I take both the ends together and just like we did at the beginning, the same kind of a knot. Make a big loop and pass over both the ends through this so that you end the knotting and the design. You can see it's a very beautiful twist that you have got with the 2 shades. a very pretty design. You can use this with strings as well. Just tighten this last knot a little so that it doesn't open further. Yeah, you may find that there is a little bit of a difference, and if there is, you can just even the length by cutting it and giving both the ends a good V cut so that they don't ruffle away the threads any further. And that brings an end to our beautiful friendship band. And I'm going to remove the sellotape so that I can have my friendship band all in my hand. And here goes my friendship band for my friend. Happy Friendships Day! If you like learning activities with Planety, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Give us a thumbs up so that we know that you like this video. If you have more suggestions, ideas for more activities that you would want us to make, leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you.